Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a public calendar in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to coordinate events, meetings, or resources across your entire team or organization, allowing everyone to view and potentially add events to a shared schedule. Let's start by creating the public calendar itself. First, you'll need to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and select Setup from the drop-down menu. This takes you into the administrative area where you can configure various Salesforce features and settings. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. In this search field, type Public Calendars and Resources. As you type, Salesforce will filter the options, and you'll want to click on Public Calendars and Resources when it appears. This section is specifically designed for managing calendars that multiple users can access. Now you'll see the Public Calendars page. Click the New button to start creating your calendar. This opens up a form where you can configure the basic details of your new public calendar. In the Calendar Name field, type a descriptive name for your calendar. Choose something clear that reflects its purpose, like marketing events or team meetings. Next, make sure to check the Active checkbox. This is important because it determines whether the calendar is immediately usable or remains inactive. Once you've filled in these details, click Save. Great, your public calendar is now created. However, at this point, it's not shared with anyone yet. Let's fix that by setting up the sharing permissions. On the public calendar detail page that appears after saving, locate and click the Sharing button. This is where you control who can access your calendar and what they can do with it. In the search dropdown, select the type of entity you want to share with. For example, you might choose public groups if you want to share with predefined groups of users. This helps you organize access more efficiently. Next, in the Available section, you'll see a list of users, roles, or groups based on what you selected. Click on the one you want to grant access to. For instance, if you want everyone in your organization to access this calendar, you'd select All Internal Users. Now click the right arrow Add button. This moves your selection from the Available column over to the Share With column, confirming that these users will have access to the calendar. In the Calendar Access dropdown, select the permission level you want to grant. For example, Show Details and Add Events allows users to both view all event details and create new events on the calendar. Choose the level that makes sense for your team's needs. Finally, click Save at the top of the new sharing page to apply these sharing settings. Give it a moment to process, and your public calendar is now fully configured and accessible to the users you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully created a public calendar in Salesforce and shared it with your team, making collaboration and scheduling much more streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.